Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to be going over how to get started with SwiftUI. We're first going to create a new Xcode project, and we can go ahead and choose single view app and name this Getting Started with SwiftUI. And then make sure under user interface that you select SwiftUI, and then we can go ahead and click next and then create our project. One of the first things you'll notice in our project navigator is that there's no view controller class automatically generated. Instead, if we go to our scene delegate, you'll see that Xcode has already initialized this content view and set this as our app's root view. Moving over to the content view file, we'll see that we have this content view struct that conforms to this view protocol. The view protocol basically just requires this body property. And in the body property is where we will write SwiftUI code to define our view. You also notice some view, which means this is an opaque result type. This basically just means that whatever we return in body will conform to the view protocol. One of the biggest features of SwiftUI is previews. So if we go to editor in Canvas or use the shortcut Command Option Enter, we'll open up this preview window. Now, without SwiftUI, whenever you need to see any of your UI changes, you need to run and build your app, which could be pretty cumbersome when you have long build times. But with SwiftUI, your view will render in this view, and it uses this content view previews struct, which conforms to preview provider, and it takes whatever view you return in this static previews property, in this case content view, and then goes ahead and renders it in your preview window. Finally, in our body property, you'll see there's already this line of code, text hello world, and you'll see hello world automatically renders in our SwiftUI preview. And now if we start to change the text to this is a line of text, you'll see that the SwiftUI preview automatically starts to update and re-render. We can also add some view modifiers to our text object. We can say font, and then we can pass in a font like large title. And you'll see that our text automatically gets bigger. And then if we also add foreground color, we can change this to be, say, blue. And you'll see the text turns blue. Okay everyone, that's it for this video on getting started with SwiftUI. In the next video, we're going to go over creating more complex views using HStacks, VStacks, images, and more.